and welcome to AfroHost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to set up usage notifications in CWP. Open your internet browser, navigate to clientzone.afrohost.com and log in with your username and password. Select the Hosting tab, then select the domain you want to access. Click on Website Manager and then select Log into Website Manager. Once in CWP, under CWP Settings, select Notifications. Activate the Enable Notifications button from Off to On. Then activate the settings below that you want to receive usage notifications for. See the information key on the right-hand side for a detailed description of each. Select to receive notifications by email and enter the email address where you would like the notifications to be sent. Then click Save. A notification will pop up stating the changes have been successful. You have now successfully set up usage notifications in CWP.
Hi, John, CEO of AfroHost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrohost.com.